these topics. How can I get an entry-level cybersecurity job? Let's go started. Expert describe the cybersecurity job is a landscape, a seller market with 0% unemployed as organizations access all industry offer high salaries for top talent. Salaries entry-level cybersecurity jobs also run is a significant higher than in many other industries. First of all, the cybersecurity talent shortage. The one thing that is definitely working in your favor. Business and government agency of all shapes, size, and missions are in need to cybersecurity as a professional, and there just is not enough talent to grow around. In fact, one is a notable and the oft reported estimate as a forecast 2.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs by 2021. Cybersecurity is a magnificent put solutions in bank terms. Seven kind of cybersecurity workforce as a categories. There is a broad range of different categories of cybersecurity jobs, and it often said that the first job is utilized and response the different participate of the positions and the organizations in situations. The one help resource comes from the U.S. government as among the world's largest cybersecurity employee. Parts of its national initiative for cybersecurity educations, the National Institute of Standard Technology create details set up guideline to help private sector access and improve their abilities to prevent, detect and respond by do cybersecurity. Security is a prohibitions is a conceptual is a design is a procedures and others are built secure informative technology is a system so with responsibilities for aspect of a system and or network development operated and maintained provide the support is administrations and maintenance necessary to ensure effective and efficient information technology system performance and security over this and is governed. They provide the leadership, management, direct or development and advocacy so the organizations may effective product cybersecurity work. Protect and defend, identify, analysis, and mitigates that internal IT systems or and networks. Analyzed, perform a highly specialized review and evaluations in common coming cybersecurity information to determine its usefulness for the intelligence, collect and operate it. They provide specific data denied and concept is operating or the collecting of cybersecurity information that may be used to develop intelligence. For investigate cybersecurity events or crime related or to IT systems, networks or data evidence. Cybersecurity career path is a Ford's rules and enter-level cyber jobs. Your pathway into an entry-level cybersecurity jobs can include work experience in a verify to different domain. However, this general consists to be the top 5 call the 4 rules: networking, software development, system engineering, financial and risk analysis, security intelligence. The outstanding resource to better understand such features rules why is a clear opportunity to transactions into level. Thank you for watching. Wait for more video. Thank you.